Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK Club. It's the first of the month, which means it is prize draw day, and I've got to do this whole video in one take without any editing. The reason I do that is so that you can see there's no smoke and mirrors. Everything happens real time and live. I've got 3 champagne buckets here. I've got some prizes on my right and some prizes on my left, and there's a prize behind me. Before I get into this, there's a couple of things I need to say. Firstly, thank you to everyone who has joined my club. All your names are on a piece of paper in that champagne bucket. Really appreciate you being there. I think we're creating something here which is great fun and also of some real value. So thank you for signing up. And if you want to sign up, if you're watching this and you've not signed up yet, you can do by looking at the website markshousegarden.com. Fill in the form, pay £12 for a whole year, and you're in for 12 of these prize draws and my newsletter and the mid-month drop, which is exclusive content, and lots more. Anyway, right, so everyone who has joined, your name is in that bucket. In the middle bucket, I have 4 pieces of paper. One piece of paper has the name of each of the 4 prizes on it. I'll tell you about this month's prizes in a moment. And I have a third bucket because last month I did a mid-month drop. I did some exclusive content in the middle of the month. And everyone that watched this, you will know, I told you that if you made a comment below that video, wildflowers, you would be entered into another draw for a free packet of wildflower seeds. So your names are in that bucket. So lots of prizes. Right, there's some new prizes here because I've got some exciting news. This is the April draw. I already have 2 prizes for the May draw, and that is 2 wildlife cameras. Brilliant. So some advanced news of what's going in next month's draw. 2 wildlife cameras. One of them has a solar power panel, I should say, and there's also 1 memory card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the solar panel with one of them and the memory card with the other. If you get the solar powered one, you'll have to buy your own memory card. And if you get the one with the memory card and you want a solar powered panel, you'll have to buy your own. Anyway, that's for next month. Right. I think we're good to go. I think we're ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a name out of that. Oh, now I've got some feedback. I must show you the bucket full of names so that you know they're all in there. Another piece of feedback I got was I must hold the name up to the camera. Right, okay. And there's the 4 pieces of paper with the prizes on. And these are the names of the people who commented below the mid-month drop. So you're in for a bonus prize. Right. I'll pull a name out of that bucket. Then I'll pull a prize out of this bucket and I'll put the 2 together. So it'll be, if it's your name, you'll win the first prize that comes out. I hope this is making sense. Right, I'm going to look away. I'm going to scramble around in here and pull one out. Right, here's a tiny piece of paper. I had to do, my printer is not working, so I've had to write all these out myself this morning and cut them all up onto a piece of paper. Right, Gwyneth. Gwyneth, you won the Star Prize last month. Listen, let me just say this. If you have joined my club, you are in the draw every month. It does not matter if you've already won a prize. You can win a prize every month if your name comes out. You've got an equal chance. Gwyneth, you are entitled to the prize if you want it. Right, let me take a prize out of here. So the prize, should you want it, is a bag of horticultural grit. It's down here. I didn't put this on the table. It's too heavy for the table. 20 kilograms of horticultural grit, Gwyneth, if you want it. You are also entitled, if you wish, a £12 voucher for Amazon in lieu of that prize. That's up to you. That's your call. Jerry will be in touch for your decision. Do you want that prize? Do you want the voucher? Gwyneth, congratulations. You have won a prize again. Fantastic. Let me go back in for prize number 2. I want to make sure that I only pull 1 name out, because if I pull 2 out, there'll be a steward's inquiry. I've got 1 name here on a piece of paper. Martin. Oh, by the way, I've got to hold the name up, haven't I? Again, forgot that. Gwyneth, 1031, you won the 1031, you won the grit. And the next winner is Martin 1026. Can you see that? Martin 1026. It probably looks a little bit disorganized. This, what you have to remember is when I'm normally doing a video, I edit out anything that doesn't look good. Right, Martin, what are you going to win? Martin, your prize is the Snapfresh motorised scissors, a mini cutter that was sent to us by Snapfresh. I reviewed that last month. It's a brilliant little thing. That's your prize if you want it, or you can have a £12 voucher. Right, so that's 2 of the prizes gone. I've still got a wildlife camera and a grubbing hoe to give away. So let's go back in for another name. Right, I've got one piece of paper. I shall open it up carefully. Charles. My mate Charles. He's a friend of mine and he has told me that if he ever wins a prize, to put it back in. Charles, you've come out again. And Charles has told me that if he ever wins a prize again, because he did win a prize in previously, to put the prize back in. So let's go in again. That gives us another bite at the cherry, one of the 2 prizes that remain. Thanks, Charles, by the way. Thank you very much. My best mate, Charles. I've known him for about 42 years. Right, the next person to win a prize. Catherine. Catherine with a K, membership number 1036. Catherine, what are you going to win today? Let's go in. We want 2 prizes left in here. Catherine, you have won the Izeka wildlife trail camera. Brilliant piece of kit that. This is the actual one I reviewed. It's the actual one I've been using. So that one is the one that you are winning. It's going to be reboxed. I'll delete all the wildlife from my garden and you will have that. So that's a wonderful thing. It's solar powered, it's motion censored, it records, it's Wi-Fi, and you can connect it and look at your footage from a distance. So that's wonderful. Catherine, congratulations. Got pieces of paper all over the place here, but happily the evidence is on camera. Right, we've got one more prize to give away, which is the grubbing hoe, my favourite tool in the garden. Wonderful tool, this. I actually did a video on this a couple of weeks ago, and I have an Amazon affiliate account, and we sold 15 of those through the Amazon account, just through one video. That's brilliant, isn't it? Right, let's go in for one more name. I have a piece of paper in my hand. This is the person that will win the grubbing hoe. David. 1020 David. Let me come close to the camera so that you can see it. David. Right, wonderful. That's the prize draw taken care of. 4 names, 4 prizes. We've just got the bonus prize of the wildflower seeds. And these are the people that watched the mid-month drop and answered my question. And so one of those people is going to be winning a free packet of seeds. Let me see if I can just get hold of one piece of paper. I think I've got one. And there is just one. And I'm opening it up to see who it is. Gwenny 1002. Gwenny, you're getting a free packet of wildflower seeds. So don't forget, when you get that mid-month drop link to watch that video, there might just be a bonus prize in it. So there we go. That concludes the prize draw video. Once again, thank you for being a member of our club. I hope you're having fun. Look out for the mid-month drop and of course other things over the course of the next month. and I will be doing some update videos on prizes as they come through, but you already know about these 2 wildlife cameras for the May draw. I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.